I'm surprised hearing this. I was also finding it interesting that Frano has Tina registered for that 100 and 200 for world champs, but he's entered Tia in the 100 and 200 for only, huh? The world champs, but also NCAA. Yeah, because remember, Tina or Tia, sorry, based on this can be a key indicator. Think about it. Based on what Stephen Francis is thinking, based on what he's seeing in training, he believes Tina has a solid shot of making the team, not only in the 100, but the 200 one. She's entered. However, Tia, on the other hand, is probably thinking, okay, she's less likely to make an individual team. Yes, she can. However, if she does not, okay, we have a fall plan, we have a backup. You can go to NACAC. Yeah, under 18s and under 23s, right? So that's the thing. So this I think is a very good key indicator as it relates to what we can expect from Tina come trials. So everybody that's probably sleeping on Tina, expect something great, because if the coach just put her alone in the 100 and 200 for the world champs, he believes without a shadow of a doubt that she's making that team. So everybody that's running, please be on your P's, on your Q's. Tina is coming. I'm excited. I'm really, really excited. I can't wait. Actually, I'm bubbling over thinking about what's happening, what's going to happen at trials. So, I'll wait until I get there. But for now, I'm excited. Could this maybe mean that Fano might not be sure of Tia's chances? Yeah, she has once you line up track, is you have a chance. You obviously have a shot. But then when you start to be realistic in your brain, and you start to say, okay, when I factor in Sharika, Elaine, Kemba, Brianna, the chances of Tia making it may not be as great as the chances of Tina, right? So they're giving her a fail safe. There's nothing wrong with that. Tina is gonna be a Kemba of last year. Yep. But no, what I will say, because we foresaw, to be fair, we foresaw Kemba doing that 10-8 previously. So the year before, we were like, Kemba is coming. Kemba is gonna run 10-8, so Brianna has to be on her P's and Q's. With Tina, we were, even when she went pro, we were like, okay, she's going pro, she's 10.95. It may take a little while to transition. We're not really gonna, expect too much too soon. Where we actually thought something is coming special was with Tina, was when we saw her running indoors. We're like, hold up those 60s. We're like, hold up. What's going on here? Something special. No, I think she ran in Jamaica first, and then she stupid fly, and then she ran in the indoors, and we're like, no, sir, something is coming special from Tina. So that's where we started to think it. But yeah, there was injury concerns as well. So we always have to factor that in. But seeing as though, again, she's only entered for the 1 and 200, she is definitely 100% without a doubt coming with something special for trial.